Whenever you will switch on the Prasadity's ventilator, it will first calibrate. There are 5 modes of operation for this ventilator. One is volume control in machine control. If you press up, the second mode is pressure control mode. Third mode is assisted mode. It is very similar to SIMV or PVRC mode. Next is waning mode. And the fifth mode is CPAP mode. So you can select the mode as per your requirement. Say for example, if I want to have assisted mode right now, then I should press next. It will activate the assisted mode. You can set the volume per breath, that is tidal volume. When you press up, the volume will increase by 50. When you press low, the volume will decrease by 50. So adjust according to your requirement. Say for example 500 tidal volume I want, I will adjust 500 and press next key. It is very easy to really program this ventilator. You can just set whatever peak inspiratory pressure you want. From 6 centimeter of H2O up to 50 centimeter of H2O you can go. Initially, if I want 24 centimeter of H2O, press next. What breaths per minute you want? Say for example, if I want 12 breaths per minute. Next, what IE ratio I want? You can go up to 1:3. I want 1:1, so I will select 1:1. Then when you press next, it will ask for PEEP pressure, how much PEEP you want. You can set the PEEP pressure by pressing up or low. This is the peak expiratory pressure retained after exhalation of the patient. Initially, I would set it to 0. Next, oxygen percentage. You can go by pressing up, it will increase by 10%. By pressing low, it will decrease by 10%. You can adjust whatever percentage of oxygen you want. Right now, I am deactivating this oxygen because oxygen is not connected here right now. Next is, when I will press next at this particular screen, the machine will start and it will execute the program. You can see it is giving the 500 mm volume at the breath rate of 12. Now it is displaying how much volume it has supplied. It is right now delivering all 500 volume, set of 500. Peak inspiratory pressure set is for 24, but the pressure inside the plateau pressure right now is moving around 18 to 19 centimeter of H2O right now. Breaths per minute are only 12. Oxygen is off, and the PEEP pressure right now set is 0. So all the parameters are continuously displayed. If there is any little resistance and if the pressure increases beyond, it will give you high pressure alarm. At that time, how much volume was delivered, that also it will tell. For example, when I am pressing the hand, only 340 volume was given when the peak plateau pressure was 28. So it is continuously monitoring the plateau pressure, the total pressure. It has got all the alarms. Suppose there is a leakage in the circuit, then it will give you leakage alarm. If the tube is blocked, it will give you tube blocking alarm. And if the exhaust port is blocked because of some reason, If the exhaust port is blocked, it will give you exhaust block alarm, exhaust error. So all the safety parameters are taken care of in this ventilator.